Christine.
I'm Ming.
I'm Cheng.
I'm Meredith.
And today we're going to melt some ice cream.
Hi, so right now we're going to buy the ice cream. So we're going to taste.
So we're going to buy mango, buy chocolate, vanilla, what else?
So 5 types of ice cream.
5 types of ice cream.
And of different colors.
So I'm going to get the apparatus right now. What we basically need are 5 measuring cylinders to measure the amount of ice cream that has been melted. And we also need 5 funnels on top of these measuring cylinders so that all of the melted ice cream will drip into these cylinders and not flow anywhere else. After that, we need 5 more stopwatches to time the rate of ice cream melting. We're already starting to measure the melting rate of each ice cream. Qingqing is recording the data. Christy and Meredith, they're watching the time.
It's supposed to be fast. 现在几秒？看时间，看。
11 for green tea. 然后呢？0 for the rest. They're all the same time.
We are halfway through our experiment and there's quite an improvement in the melting rate. Green tea is still the fastest though.
The result is that the green tea ice cream melts the fast, followed by strawberry ice cream. Chocolate take over after 1,200 seconds. Bananas and nuts are the slowest.
In biology terms, the smaller the diameter of the fat globule, the higher the melting rate. Proteins build foams by trapping air, as in ice creams and in soufflés. In this way, they aid the action of fat. At the same time, proteins surround fat globules in a thin membrane. This keeps them from combining into larger globules. The amount of protein in chocolate ice cream is 3.8 grams, followed by macadamia, vanilla ice cream, strawberry ice cream, and green tea ice cream. The less protein there is, the higher the possibility that the fat globules will form larger globules, thus preventing them from melting because the smaller the fat globule, the higher the melting rate, therefore chocolate being the slowest. So the amount of saturated fat in the ice cream also affects the melting rate. Chocolate ice cream has the most amount of fat, 12 grams, followed by vanilla, and then green tea, and then strawberry. So the explanation for this would be the less amount of fat, the faster the melting rate, therefore green tea being the fastest and chocolate being the slowest.
So now I'm going to talk about this from a chemistry perspective. We all know that the essential elements in ice cream include ice crystals, fat globules, sugar molecules, and air particles to make the ice cream soft. So green tea was the fastest, mainly because the green tea powder within the ice cream separated the sugar molecules and the water particles, therefore decreasing the strength of the intermolecular bonds between ice particles, fat molecules, and sugar molecules. And also the mixture was very even, therefore the ice cream melted faster. Whereas in strawberry and macadamia, they had bits of fruit or nuts in them. The mixture was not very even, therefore some parts melted faster than the others. However, the bits also contributed to more air within the ice cream, which made it softer and able to melt faster than vanilla and chocolate, which were more even mixtures, therefore they were the slowest to melt.
For physics, the truth is the color of the ice cream matters. A darker color means that it emits less visible light rather than absorbing it, so temperature will rise. White, a colored ice cream will reflect light, and dark colored ice cream will absorb it. So the dark colored chocolate ice cream will absorb more light and make it melt faster than vanilla. Another factor to keep in mind is the different specific latent heat of fusion of the different flavors. The heat energy required to convert 1 kilogram of a substance from a solid to liquid without changing its temperature is different for each of the flavors. These anomalies can be caused by bits in the ice cream, like the nuts in the nut ice cream, and the chocolate bits in the chocolate ice cream.
So I think our procedure has a few advantages. Our reading is taken every 30 seconds, make sure that we have sufficient data. Also, we have some weaknesses. Solid ingredients could block the funnel, which affects the rate at which the ice cream fall into the funnel, into the measuring cylinder, and make our result less accurate.